From sapling to heirloom, every piece has a story, and it's our job to share that story. Hi, I'm Katie Freeman with Freeman Furnishings, and today I'm going to tell you the story about how a blue centerpiece bowl came to be. So here you'll see me carving away as I'm telling you the story on a piece of hackberry. I don't know a ton about the origins of this piece, except that I picked it up at a local sawmill in Marion, Iowa, and that it came from someplace in rural Iowa, most likely in northeastern Iowa. So this piece actually, I purchased this piece from the mill, this piece of hackberry, for another project, for the Live Edge maple desk. I'll put the links down below for you to check out that video. But this piece was purchased for the cross brace below the main top of the desk, and I had quite a bit left over. So I didn't start with a sketch for this bowl. This was something that I just kind of looked at one day in the shop. It was over in the scrap bin, this pretty decent sized rectangular piece of hackberry. And I've never worked with hackberry before until the desk project, but I really like it. It's pretty hefty as far as weight, but it carves really nice, it sands really nice, and there's just some really interesting tones within it naturally. To me, it reminds me a lot of poplar, but a bit more dense. What was great about this particular piece of wood is it's about 2 inches thick, which is perfect for carving on. And normally when I've carved bowls in the past, I go pretty much all the way down to the bottom, so it's more of a true bowl. But this time I was looking to make it a bit more like a platter, and so I really didn't dish out the inside all that much, and that allowed me to do a little bit more shaping on the bottom, and just to give it a more unique look than I've gone for before. Again, kind of like a mix between a bowl and a platter. I've been, kind of calling it on my own a bladder, just because I'm weird like that. But anyways, because of the light tone of the hackberry, it's perfect for dyeing, which any of you who are already subscribers to my channel know that I absolutely love dyeing my wood products. And so for this one, I really wanted to go with a blue, but like a bright blue. So I'm calling this a cobalt blue, and I just mixed a turquoise and a little bit of blue in with it, so it wasn't quite as green, a bit more blue, and it really turned out nice in this nice brilliant bright blue. I think that this color works well basically with any decor, especially if you really like those clean white modern looking lines, then this is perfect as an accent piece to go anywhere. And so because it's meant to also, be able to hold like fruit as like a fruit bowl in the center of your table, then I'm finishing it with just a butcher block oil. That way it's food safe, there's no issue. And the dye itself is a water-based dye, so there's no issue there as far as chemicals and being harmful to anybody. So I just did a couple different applications of the butcher block oil, and then I finish it off with the Howard's Feed and Wax oil as well, because that's just orange oil and beeswax, and it just gives that a nice extra layer of protection, and plus it smells really, really good. I'm going to take a little time right now while you're watching me finish up with the butcher block oil and have some fun making sawdust castles in my shop after a nice carving job, to just say, if you really enjoy learning about the story of a piece, any piece of furniture or anything else that really helps to bring a family together, something that is quality made, that gets passed down from generation to generation, then I really would love it if you subscribe to my channel so you can see the story of other pieces to come and to learn about the pieces that I already created. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. If you choose not to, that's okay. There's no pressure. I just really enjoy sharing the story behind every piece that I create. And now it is time to stake the claim to my sawdust castle with a flag that tells what it's all about. What sawdust? So just FYI, my nice sawdust castle pile there, that is after using 2 shop vacs and an air filtration system to collect dust while I carved, and I still got that much sawdust. So I do have a new solution on the way. I can't wait to share that with you guys. Come back later for more videos. Hopefully I'll be able to really highlight this new product that I'm going to be working with, and I think it's going to be great for helping collect that sawdust to save my lungs and to create less cleanup in the shop. Though it is fun to make sawdust castles or do sawdust angels if you again watched previous videos of mine. I'll put those links down below. This is that Howard's Feed and Wax with the orange oil and beeswax. Beautiful product, great for extra protection, and smells simply wonderful again. So why did I create this? Because I'm always looking to create a piece that helps to bring family and friends together, and something that can be shared with generations to come.